Hello guys, today we work with the page number 126, and we did the following activity. Where are the footprints? Parts of the house, las partes de la casa. We need to color the footprints and say what part of the house they at. Now, the first ones, they are in the kitchen, so let's color it. Okay, they are in the kitchen. Now, these ones are in the bathroom. Se llama bathroom aquí. Bathroom. Vamos a colorearlas, okay? Let's color all the footprints. Now, the last one, look. Oh, the footprint is in the bedroom. Bedroom. Uy, ¿quién las hizo? Pues este pequeñín. The doggy. Okay? Remember, we have a kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom. And at the end, nos preguntan, where's the dog? Circle. ¿Dónde estaba el dog? In the kitchen or in the bedroom? I think in the bedroom, right? Well, let's circle it. In the bedroom. Well, we work with this page. Remember, we are talking about parts of the house. Y aquí tenemos kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom. ¿Ok? Bueno. Esto fue lo que hicimos el día de ayer. Sorry, no pude subir el video, pero aquí se los dejo. Y ahorita les subo también el de la clase del día de hoy, Friday. See you later, guys. Nos vemos el día Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye, bye.